So, how do you quickly turn on a flashlight? Today, I'm gonna tell you how to set up easy access to the flashlight. Watch till the end and I will share how you can adjust the brightness of the flashlight right in the control center. So firstly, you are gonna make sure that your iPhone's battery is at least 20%. If not, just charge it to that level. Now, swipe down from the top right corner to trigger Control Center and press and hold any empty spot to click this option Add a Control. After that, find flashlight icon and tap on it to add to your control center, then tap again on any empty space. So to use flashlight right away, just click the icon once and now you can use the flashlight. To turn that off, just go back in control center and then just tap on the icon once more to turn that off. Now, if for some reason you cannot find flashlight, then let's open up the settings, find screen time, and check content and privacy restrictions. Now you're gonna choose Allowed apps and features and make sure that flashlight is allowed in each of these sections. Great. Now, if you wanna even easier access, you can set up flashlight control in iPhone shortcuts to activate the flashlight by tapping the back of your phone. For that, go back in the settings. Here, find Accessibility, then tap on Touch, and then scroll down to find Back Tap. Here, choose Double Tap, and then tap Flashlight to choose it as the action. Now you're gonna double tap back part of your iPhone to activate flashlight. As you can see, the feature is not working quite accurate, but it still does work. So you can double tap to turn it off. Great, it's working. And of course, you can use flashlight right from the lock screen. Just press and hold the icon and now you can use it. And as a tip, you can control brightness level. For that, just press and hold dynamic island to see the flashlight icon. And now swipe up or down to change intensity of the flashlight. And also you can swipe right or left to choose the width. And to turn off, just click on it once more. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.